Alright, so first we load up the web page that was linked in the instructor notes. We see that it's populated already with some code for the Happy Birthday text view, and then on the right we see the preview in the device. To change the text that appears here, we need to change the value of the attribute called Android:text. So in between the quotes here, we can change the message. We can change it to, happy birthday to my pet hamster. Then on the device, we can see that the text has now been updated. Woohoo! To change the size of the view, we can modify the width and height attribute values. So in between the quotations, we can delete that and change it to something like 250 dp. And then for the height, we can change it to like 450 dp. And now we see that the text view with the gray background is now a lot bigger. Cool. So the last part of the quiz was to try to create an error. So if I delete the / and the angle bracket, then I get a bunch of errors that show up on the bottom here. Also, the device grays out because there's no valid preview to show on the device anymore. These errors can help you fix your code, but since we know what we need to do to fix it, we can just hit Ctrl-Z to undo the changes we made. The undo shortcut is really useful to use, so it's Command-Z on a Mac or Control-Z on Windows. We can create other errors as well, such as deleting a quotation mark, and then we see the error down here. We can hit undo to make it come back. Or we can change darker gray to Parker gray, which apparently Android doesn't recognize, unfortunately. So we can just switch it back.